Welcome to Brain Vision.
With our physical chemistry problems, we're looking at a spray chamber here and how it can be used to maintain room temperature humidity. So firstly, our relative humidity is equal to gamma AP divided by PA star T multiplied by 100. So what we firstly have is gamma H2O at room. So we can rearrange this equation on the left hand side to get 0.0172 moles of H2O per moles of air. Then we can take a look at the gamma H2O in, again with that rearranged equation, 0.0328, same units. And then we have the air leaving the spray chamber that needs to have the same mole fraction of water as that in the room, but this will be saturated, so the partial pressure of the air leaving the chamber will be the following. So we have P, a new equation, PH2O star T chamber is equal to gamma H2O room multiplied by P. We get 13.072 millimeters of mercury. So if we look at the vapor pressure in the table, then the closest temperature we get is 15.3 degrees C. So next, we can make the following assumption for the second part. So we have the moles of dry air in the room equals the moles of dry air inlet to the spray chamber. So through some rearranging, we get to the following equation: N air in is equal to N air in room multiplied by 1 take away gamma H2O in room air. Then we divide that all by 1 subtract gamma H2O in. What we get is a value of 101.6 moles. So then the mole for the N air in. So the mass of water that is removed is equal to the moles of air in the room minus the moles of air in the spray chamber. So we have M H2O removed is 29 grams. And then we can calculate the dry air present in the room. N dry air room, 98.28 moles. So then we can determine the mass of water per kilogram of dry air. We'll do that on the final page where we have negative 29 grams. Divide that by 98.28 moles of dry air, multiplied by 29 grams of air, divide that by moles dry air. What we get is a value of negative 0.0102 kilograms H2O per kilogram of dry air. So what we find is the water is lost from the air feed that is fed to the chamber, so the value will be negative.